Welcome to Zap Report Builder for Valuators, the #1 best-selling Excel to Word connector. Do you want to reduce the time it takes to produce valuation reports? Zap is designed for valuators who are creating reports in Word that contain Excel data, like numbers, ranges, and charts. Getting Excel data into Word is a slow and painful process, and so is updating the data in Word when the Excel data changes. We find that valuators typically run into the following problems getting Excel data into Word. Number 1, manual entry. You often have dozens to hundreds of numbers, charts, and ranges you have to copy and paste manually into Word, or get them in there some other way. Number 2, manual updates. And then, every time you change anything in Excel, you have to find and manually change all the corresponding data in your Word document. Number 3, variable content. You also need optional sections that only sometimes need to be included in your report. A good example is a DLOM. Some reports have a DLOM section, and some don't. The bottom line is that creating valuation reports that include Excel data can be painfully time-consuming and error-prone. So how do you solve this problem? Perhaps you should consider Zap Report Builder for Valuators. There are 4 main reasons to consider Zap Report Builder. Number 1, it automates the creation of valuation reports. You can have linked data. Link your Excel cells, ranges, and charts to Word using point and click. You can update links. Automatically, when your Excel data changes, your Word document always stays in sync. You can add variable content. You can quickly create sentences, paragraphs, and whole sections of a report that are included or excluded based on the setting of a cell in Excel that's true or false. Number 2, Zap is an Excel and Word add-in. It's Microsoft Excel and Word based. Zap Report Builder creates a ribbon inside of Word and Excel, allowing you to automate your report generation and keep everything in sync. It does not require ValuSource valuation software to work. Number 3, Zap speeds up the report creation process, and there's a minimal learning curve. If you know Word and Excel, learning Zap will be easy. You also get reusable documents and reports. It's easy to create a valuation report that's linked to your Excel file, which then becomes the document used to create your reports going forward. In Zap, it's called a report template. Once you have 1 or more templates, creating new reports takes a few clicks. You become more efficient at report writing. You spend more time writing and less time updating Excel data in your Word report. Zap works with your existing Excel and Word documents. Testimonials. Saved me 3 hours on my first report. I can spend more time on the analysis than the tedious task of copying and pasting Excel data into my Word reports. Definitely the best app around for creating reports in Word using Excel data. If I make any changes to the Excel data, it ripples through my report. This is a major time saver. When it comes to creating complex reports for business valuations, Zap Report Writer is my go-to app. It's simple, easy to use, and best of all, I never have to worry about mistakes. We invite you to contact us to learn more about speeding up the creation of your valuation reports.